Hello and welcome. Jai Jinendra, ladies. Before we begin the program, I'll give a small introduction. I am Sunita Gulecha, your B2B convener. We started with Shubharamb English training sessions with you all. We are extremely excited that you all are here to give your presentations today. Let's begin by venerating at the feet of Panch Parameshti. Please join me for the prayer. Yeah, so after paying our homage to the Panch Parameshtis, I would all request you, अपने ही मन में 2 मिनट सरस्वती माँ को याद कर लें. We are starting with our event now. I would now request you all to please pray for a minute to Ma Saraswati. Let us now begin the event. I would now call upon our Chief Chairperson, Shanu Jain, Mrs. Shanu Jain, to welcome the gathering.
भगवान श्री जय जिनेंद्र. भगवान श्री महावीर स्वामी जी के चरणों में कोटिश कोटिश वंदन. Family, friends, participants, teachers, organizers, a warm welcome to all of you present here today. It's a very, very big day for each one of us today. आज सही फाइनल परीक्षा है, आपकी भी और हमारी भी. आज पता चलेगा कि इतनी 1 महीने की मेहनत क्या रंग लाई है. We're all very, कुछ भी हो, but one thing, we are all very, very proud of all you participants here today. आज ये एज में ये स्टेप लेना, पढ़ना, सीखना और एग्जाम देना बहुत बड़ी बात है. आज छोटे छोटे लोग, बच्चे भी नहीं कर पाते काम जो आज आप ये एज में करने जा रहे हो. Really, really, you all deserve a standing ovation. Big applaud to each one of you. Super proud. And I would sincerely like to thank these teachers, Harshita ji, Sachin sir, जिसने ये इतनी मेहनत करके ये करिकुलम बनाया. Sunita and Brinda, whose endless efforts have got this program to this stage today. Very, very proud of you girls. All the best to all the participants today. Looking forward to listening to each one of you. I'm sure you ladies are going to rock today. Good luck.
Thank you, Shanu. We are feeling blessed and proud that we have done this. And yes, it's a big day for all of us, all the participants, the teachers, the organizers. Definitely for me and Brinda, this is going to be the biggest test we've ever given in our lives. I could say that. Because in ladies ka success hi hamara success hai. And we are really excited. We are looking forward for the event, you know. So now I call upon our B2B co-convener, Mrs. Brinda Shah, to give a small introduction of today's event.
Jai Jinendra sabhi ko. Sunita, can you hear me? Okay. Jai Jinendra sabhi ko. Pashnath Bhagwan ke koti koti naman. Hello everyone. I'm very happy to give introduction of our charming lady Shubharam season 1. We started the batch on 16th December and successfully completed the batch on 8th of Jan. We had 24 ladies in a batch of 2 taking part in season 1, level 1 of spoken English training session. We had the coaching done by Sachin sir, Ajit sir of Superb Humans and Harshita ma'am of the coach of season 1. It was a power pack performance by all ladies bringing out the best each and every day. Let's all hear it out from them on the presentation day. Wishing you all the best to all my ever charming ladies. Harshita, Sunita, to you on.
Thank you, Brinda. Thank you for the lovely introduction of what Shubharam is and how we started with this. Thank you so much. May I now call upon Harshita ma'am, Ajit sir and Sachin sir to take over and get the presentations done. Over to you, sir.
Jai Jinendra to everybody. Happy morning to all. First of all, thank you so much. It has been a wonderful opportunity. I will reclaim as a host. And we will get the proceedings started. And all the ladies, all the participants have done a wonderful job. And how much ever we speak, is going to be less. Actually, they've done wonderful work. They've worked really, really hard. They've participated like young individuals and given their 100%. They practice. Now, this event, what we've organized, is a showcase event. It is not something like an exam or anything, but it is just this thing. And I have already told all the time that perfection is basically, it's a myth, isn't it? So don't go for perfection, go for action, isn't it? Action karte karte hi aadmi aage better ban sakta hai, isn't it? So everybody, thank you so much for this wonderful. Please, it is not that even we also make mistakes, correct? No, isn't it, Sunita ji? We also, Brinda ji, we guys are good. We are decent in English and still we make some mistakes. But please, all I want to tell all the participants, please go ahead, give your level best. And it's not about perfection, it's all about action. So we'll get started. We have the itinerary and we will unmute that person and आप वहां से शुरू कर दीजिए. First, what I'll do is मैं सबको एक बार mute कर देता हूँ so that nobody can unmute themselves. That will help make sure that कि कोई किसी बीच में disturb ना हो, with everybody's permission. I'll do that. Thank you so much. And moving forward, the list is like this. We would like to invite our first speaker of the day and give a big round of applause. Everybody, हमारा clapping ऐसा होता है, big ऐसे. Zoom में क्या है कि limitation होता है, सब लोग ऐसे. Yes, big round of applause to Sunila Datta ji. Please give her a big round of applause. Big round of applause. नहीं, इतनी तालियां, बहुत कम तालियां. Come on, एक जोर से. Yes. Sunila ji के लिए. Sunila ma'am, आप किस नाम से हैं? Okay, I'll unmute everybody. Sunila ji, आप अपने आप को unmute करके आप किस नाम से आपने से? I don't see any.
She is by the name Sunila Datta only.
Is it?
Okay.
Yes, yeah, correct. Yeah, she's unmuted. Over to Sunila ji. Sunila ji, the stage is all yours, please. Yours. Yes, start kar dijiye. Yes, everybody, I request, please pin her up and let's watch.
जय जिनेंद्र, सुनने वालों को थोड़ी मेरी मीठी आवाज पहुंच जानी चाहिए. Thank you, Jito Ladies Wing women, who made English so easy for us. और सोते हुए को जगा दिया आप लोगों ने हमको इतने उम्र में. We are to learning English from you all after joining this program. Confidence level and difficulty definitely raised. And help are to stand in front of this modern society. A modern society में हम बुड्ढे लोगों को भी तो खड़ा होना पड़ता है ना, तो कुछ बोलना आना चाहिए. इसलिए थैंक यू जीतो भी ladies and Harshita ji, Sachin sir. In front modern. Harshita ji has taught us to speak English beautiful. Thank you, Harshita ji and Sachin sir. This is safety for women is a great subject. How should women remain safe? Earlier, women used to be at home because she is not educated, so she not go out house. But till date, women are educated. Due to begin education as well, a woman go out for her work. But today, it is very important for women to take care of themselves. Nowadays, there are many things that every woman need to learn. Every woman, मतलब हम सबको ही क्या सीखना चाहिए today, so that she can defend when her time come. Nowadays, it is time for cell phone, so then she can protect herself. Because nowadays, every woman has to go home along from work. Then in the safe protection, keep spray bottle in her purse. स्प्रे बोतल मतलब क्या होता है मालूम? मिर्ची का तेल स्प्रे लेके चलना चाहिए. मतलब वो तो मिर्ची को क्या बोलते हैं? chili, because nowadays where every woman has to go home, this should also be taken care of wherever day she goes out of the house. Where is going? Where is the address there? You should tell your family, neighbors, friends, all, anybody, उसका कोई भी साथी हो उसको बता के ही जाना चाहिए. Don't trust unknown person. There has been much publicity of women education in India. Educated in participation of women's service, some are become doctor, teachers, judge, police, collector, air hostess, and etc. But before my Indira Gandhi is ladies prime minister. Kiran Bedi, police inspector, and if this time the Pondicherry is governor, no? Kiran Bedi just a Pondicherry, now a governor, Pondicherry. Okay. थोड़ा थोड़ा बीच में मैं हिंदी भी बोलूंगी. Along, don't test unknown person. There has been much publicity of women education in India. Educated in participate of women service, some are must. Acha, today what is the must? Must get training for self-defense. Okay. Some things is better than nothing. कुछ भी नहीं आने से हमारे लिए तो इतना सा भी आना बहुत कुछ हो गया. You know, enough. Thank you जीतो भी जिन्होंने हमारी जैसी लेडीज को सोते से जगा दिया और बना हुआ खिला दिया, कली को खिला दिया और थोड़ा कुछ बोलना सिखा दिया. थैंक यू अशिता जी, थैंक यू वृंदा जी, थैंक यू सचिन सर, थैंक यू पूजा जी, और कोई क्या क्या नाम है. थैंक यू. सुपर इंग्लिश. ओके.
Lovely, auntie. Superb.
Superb, auntie. Very
Proud
nice.
of you.
Rocking, Sunila ji, rocking.
अरे भाई और कुछ बोलना तो भी बोल दूंगी.
Yes. Yeah. एक Zoom clap एक
बढ़िया. जहाँ से अच्छा हम लोग बहुत अच्छे.
That's so nice.
रियली में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा कि कितने समय से सीखने की इच्छा अब जागृत की है किसी ने. तो सबसे पहले तो भाई लेडीज विंग को ही करेंगे प्रणाम, जिन्होंने हमको इतना सारा दे दिया. क्या बात है. फिर हर्षिता जी ने बड़े प्रेम से सिखाया हमको, थोड़ी मस्ती भी करी. आदत बुरी है ना मेरी, इसलिए थोड़ी मस्ती बुरी की. और हमारा जो ग्रुप था ना बहुत बढ़िया था. रियली एवरीवन हैप्पी फेस एंड नो टम. सब बड़े प्यार से सीखती थी, मुस्कुराती थी, एक दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट करती थी. और जिसमें हर्षिता जी थे, मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं आता था, कुछ भी नहीं बोलूं उल्टा सीधा भी, तो भी बहुत यू वेरी गुड. ओके.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful attempt, and thank you so much, Sunila Dadaji. Now let's have our next speaker, Usha Ranawat ji. Can we all give her a big round of applause, a big star? Usha ma'am, please आप अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए and let's get started. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, everybody.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. जय जिनेंद्र. प्रणाम टू ऑल. सबको मेरा प्रणाम. ए समय नदी की धारा जिसमें सब जाया करते हैं, कुछ नारियां ऐसी होती है जो इतिहास बनाया करती है. The topic given to me is the women's Shakti. When we talk about today's competitive world, men and women both are same in all the field, all the activities. Let it be from fighting, sports, social, political, and any other place. and women are standing outstanding. If we turn back our pages of past, no one can forget the contribution of Rani Jhansi Bai. The way she fought is an outstanding example, which is still sung today. Khoob ladi mardani, wo to Jhansi wali Rani thi. Mother Teresa is the epitome of socialists. She is the only woman who have won most number of awards, the lady who changed millions of lives by her soft touch. When we look in political sphere, we have example of Sarojini Naidu to Pratibha Patel, and to add to the list of names, Kamala Harris. Even though she is the Indian, she has got the opportunity to become the Vice President of America, the biggest country of the world. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. The slogan of Narendra Modi is the most motivational spirit of today's India. We have moved from past where women were just housewives. They have developed in many fields. Now all the women want to stand independently. No doubt they are excelling in it because of their education and intelligence of managing things beautifully. The Jito Wing has given the best opportunity to all the ladies to come forward, learn English, communicate well with each other, make new friends, to show cost our talents. This revealed best Nari Shakti. There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. The other name for other name of the Shakti is the Nari. Last but not the least, each time a woman stands up for herself, without knowing it possibly, without claiming it, she stands up for all women. In India, to encourage women, they started an award called Nari Shakti Puraskar. It's an annual award given by the Ministry of the Women and Children Development of the Government of India to individual women. The awards are presented by the President of India on International Women's Day on 8th March and the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. And I want to tell why I learned English, because these are the grandchildren. They told me they are studying in the Shishya. They told me, Nani, you can't sit in my class because you don't know English. But I told them that I will learn English and I will sit in your class and I will teach, tell them, teachers that her grandmother also knows English and she can also sit in the class. That's why I want to tell you that why I learned English. And the last thing I want to tell that don't estimate the powers of women, ladies and all. They can do better than what men can do. So they say that the Nari is the Shakti of the best example. Thank you.
Wow, Usha ji.
Wonderful. Can we give her a big round of applause? A very truly empowering and an inspiring speech by Usha Lonavala ji. Thank you so much.
Lovely speech.
Inspiration at this age, taking the initiative. Wonderful, wonderful. Can we give once again? This is a hard, like amazing.
I have interest in politics, so I have taken the subject from all the political leader, and then I made this subject.
Very nice, very nice. Very proud of you.
Thank you.
Usha ji, not less than a politician you spoke today. Awesome.
Thank you.
Moving on, now we have Sunita Kicha ji with her presentation. Sunita ji, the stage is all yours. Over to Sunita ji. Yes, please unmute yourself.
Sunita ji, please unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
अभी आ रही है आवाज?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Yeah.
All the very best.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning. My topic that I'm going to talk about is women as business icon. Today, modern business world is no longer defined by gender. Women have been playing a vital role in the growth of Indian economy and made a valuable impact in every sector. Every successful woman has her own secrets and key ingredients to her success. Woman should love herself only then she can feel happy and confident. and she will live happy lives. Today, there are many inspirations women's stories will inspire us. Some of the wonderful women are Kiran Mazumdar in Bicon, Indra Nui, Pepsi, Vandana Luthra, Fitness, Priya Paul, Hotel, Shehnaz Hussain, Cosmetic, Ritu Kumar, Fashion, Tarla Dalal, Cooking, and many, many more. It is important for everyone, to women in our life, whether it's our mother, sister, friend, daughter-in-law. Each and every one of them has the potential to make a real difference to our tomorrow. I'm giving thanks to the Jito team and Ajit sir, Sachin sir, and Harshita ma'am for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Can we give her a big round of applause? Absolutely.
Lovely, Sunita auntie.
Beautiful, beautiful, very nice.
Icons. Yes.
Super, Sunita ji.
Thank
Sunita
you.
ji, that was really, truly incredible. Thank you. Thank you. Can we once again, Achita, this is very good, this thing, the kind of effort they have put in, it is, applause is nothing. हम definitely उसमें तो हम ज़्यादा दे ही सकते हैं. There is nothing. Thank you, Sunita.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Yes. And we have the next participant coming up. That is Ratan Jain ji. Please, Ratan ji, aapka. Sunita ji, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Ratan ji.
All the very best. Ratan ji, please unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
Yes.
No, you are again on mute.
1 minute, I'll just check.
Yeah. Ladies, give her a minute. I think वो थोड़ा सा confuse हो गए हैं. Auntie, all the very best. You look gorgeous as usual. Let's start the event. Let's start your speech.
Jai Jinendra, everyone.
Jai Jinendra. Let's give her a big round of applause. Yes, and that'll really help them motivate them. Ratan ji, over to you.
All Jitos, all Subharam team, Harshita ji, Sachin sir, you're doing very hard effort, and thank you very much. You are both of awesome. Thank you, big thank you very much. My topic is Women Mark of Liberty. In olden days, women did only household work, but in world women, all the very field, they take care of their home, their children, their work, and all together doing very well. They excelling at all the field, like hospitals, in army officers, in government officers, the scientists, as a interior decorator, and helping all family business also. Few Indian role model are Indira Gandhi, Tanya Mirza, Kiran Bedi, Kalpana Chawla, Sania Nehwal, Tanya Mirza, and more, and many more. Education is an important women liberation, for women liberation. Thank you.
Lovely.
Lovely, very nice.
Lovely, Mama.
Thank you, Ratan ji. Superb.
Thank you, Ratan ji. Can we give her a big round of applause? A short one, but again, an inspiring one. Can we ek baar zor se taaliyan, everybody? So nice.
Very, very thank you. Thank you very much, both of you.
It's all thanks to you. आप लोगों ने इतना effort डाला. It is not just about what we do. आप सब लोगों ने इतना effort डाला, and that is what makes actually difference, isn't it? You participating, we say it's always 80%. Thank you so much. Yes. Moving forward, now we have Indu Bokaria ji. Over to Indu Bokaria ji. First of all, एक बार उनका जोर से तालियों से उनका, we will invite her. जोर से तालियां this thing. Yeah.
हेलो इंदु जी, वेलकम। आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को। You are still on mute. Yes,
Yeah.
perfect.
Now it's there. Over to Indu ji.
पुण्यारी मैं कान में बोलेगा ना पड़ी
वो तो फोन में कनेक्टेड हो, इधर कोई कनेक्शन।
हेलो
Yes, Indu
मेरी
ji.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes,
Yes,
we can hear you
absolutely.
loud and clear. Yes.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, Ari.
Yes.
आ रही है। जय जिनेंद्र, good
Jai Jinendra.
morning to everyone. Today my topic is women game changers. Game changers are people who can make changes. It can be a family member, a game.
Indu ji, I think your signal is
All
weak.
the education, community, and power to take decisions. They fair. Why are women better game changers? They are better at work-life balance. Are more
Indu ji, we can't hear you. I think आपका सिग्नल बहुत वीक है.
इंदु मैम, अगर आप अपना वीडियो ऑफ कर देंगे तो we'll be able to hear you. आपके वीडियो के कारण we are unable to hear you. इंदु मैम?
Indu ji, are you there? I think she is exited by mistake. She's not here.
Yeah, I think the network went really low and then she lost the signal, I guess.
Yes.
Oh. She has
Yeah,
joined
she's
back
here.
again.
इंदु जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Can you unmute yourself?
और इंदु मैम, आप अपना वीडियो ऑफ रख लीजिए, तब आप बात कर सकते हैं. Obviously we want to see you, but आपका नेटवर्क इंदु जी, अपना वीडियो मैं एक काम करता है,
video on है क्या?
मैं आपका वीडियो मैंने ऑफ कर दिया, आप बात कीजिए. इंदु जी, अब आप बोलिए, आप यू कैन स्टार्ट अगेन. इंदु जी, आपको हमारी आवाज आ रही है?
अच्छा, स्टार्टिंग
जी, आप शुरू से बात कीजिए इंदु जी.
आपकी
ऑल
आवाज
द
आ रही
वेरी
है?
बेस्ट. इंदु जी, आप बोल सकते हैं. इंदु जी, अभी
आपका
बोल
वीडियो
सकती
नहीं
हूँ?
काम करेगा,
जी
पर
आप
आपकी आवाज-
बोलिए इंदु जी.
अच्छा ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग से बोलूं या
Yes,
जी,
yes,
आप
ma'am.
शुरू से
From the
बोलिए.
beginning बोलिए आप.
game changers are people who can make changes. It can be anyone, a family member, a neighbor, a friend, a celebrity, a leader. Women are the game changers of today. All they need is better education, health care, money control, equality, and power to take this. They making more peaceful and loving and motivating, better of communication, can handle crisis better. They lead by example, are flexible and fearless, and have more emotional intelligence. The COVID times has proved that women handle the crisis better and was the game changers at home. We have in India notable women game changers at every level. I will not take names because there are millions in areas of life: chairpersons, sports, politics, social service, arts, homemakers, even domestic helps, etc. They have led by example and are a sources of inspiration to lakhs of women to become more empowered. But We in India, we have always needed women 24 hours, every day, single day, whether admitted or not. First is Vidya, education. Second is Lakshmi, wealth. We need Shanti, peace. Morning to evening we work, Usha se Sandhya tak, for our daily food, that is Annapurna. Night we will sleep peacefully and have sweet dreams, Sapna. And whether we read Gita, Gayatri Mantra, or do puja, Aarti, Shraddha, or any Vandana, all are still with women. If we are in the dark, we want light, Jyoti. If you want victory, you want Jaya. If you are growing old, you want sympathy and loving care, Karuna and Mamta. If you make somebody angry, you want forgiveness, Shama. Hope you understand my bhavna. So you see, it has always been a woman's world, and we women are the real game changers, seen or unseen, recognized or not. So more power to us so that we make the world a better place for our children. Thank you.
Thank you, Induji. That was a wonderful speech. Very nice, lovely.
Women indeed game changers. Absolutely a beautiful one. एक बार जोर से तालियां. You know, she has done, and she has done this in just 2 months of time. 2 months of time. Now that needs a brave. That's the kind of dedication उन्होंने किया है. And we know that she is very talented. She's a poet. And she's got wonderful thoughts. But 2 months में English में एक बार जोर से सब लोग एक बार जोर से इंदु जी के लिए. इंदु जी, we are truly blessed to have you. आपने इतनी अच्छी मेहनत की, and such a wonderful one. You are indeed a game changer. Wonderful.
Yes. So true. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
वीडियो स्टार्ट कर दीजिए मेरा.
हाँ, अभी आपका वीडियो स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. Yes. हाँ, आप वीडियो अपना स्टार्ट कर लीजिए. वीडियो स्टार्ट हो रहा है आपका, देखिए. Before we move on, आगे आपका वीडियो. Yes. मैं आपको म्यूट कर देता हूँ. Okay. Thank you, Indu ji. Yes, wonderful. Now we have the next participant. She is unable to make it because of her personal challenges. And Nirmala ji, she has sent her audio. Now that itself shows how committed they are. वो नहीं आ पाए because of some family commitment and all that. She could not be present here right now, but she has made sure that she has sent her audio. मैं उनका audio बजाने वाला हूँ. Please listen to it, all ears, and please. Here it starts.
Being a growing woman in today's society, I have witnessed.
Can you hear that? Can you all hear that?
No, sir, it's a little low. If you can increase the volume, it'll be good.
It's actually the volume is full. That is the only part. The volume.
Nirmala ji is here actually, but she's traveling, so वो speech बोल नहीं पा रही हैं, but she's recorded it. She's sent to all of us. Thank you so much, Nirmala ji. Sir, volume थोड़ा सा आपको increase करना पड़ेगा.
That is the max I have actually. It's been recorded at a very low volume. So unfortunately, this is the maximum I could do.
There's a lot of changes in the role of women.
So I can see that sorry, इसकी आवाज बहुत कम है. एक request है. Please pay attention to it. ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं है. 1 minute 25 seconds का है. I'm starting it. This is the maximum मैं कर पाया. So I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let's listen to it.
No worries, sir.
Women in today's society, I have witnessed a lot of changes in the role of women. Back in the days, women did not step out of their house, did not do jobs, and were always taking care of families, as they used to live mostly in big joint family. But now women have become independent and empowered. They work, support their families, go out, drive, and take care of their families. Also, women were always required to serve their husband and completely take care of their needs. But now both men and women share equal responsibility and take care of each other when we were young back in the earth. We women did not travel anywhere. Women were not allowed to travel as much men, and we expected to take care of their families at home. They usually did not go for holidays. But now women are been traveling to luxury place on beautiful holidays with loved ones and even on road trips which they themselves financially organize.
That was wonderful one. She's not here today, but I'm quite sure she'll watch the recording.
So she is here.
She is with us, sir. She is with us.
Sir, but she's traveling in the car. So she's not able to give the audio from there. She's not able to talk from there. So wonderful.
Can we let's acknowledge her?
This
Great
is really
effort.
good.
2 minutes, she's done wonderful. Yes, thank you so much. And that was a very empowering, very powerful topic. As you can see, all of them have chosen very, very powerful women-centric topics to recognize what Jitu has been doing. So moving along, we have next participant. We have Hemlata Dugarji. She is not here with us, I guess. And she has sent a video. We are going to play a video of hers. And please stay tuned. The video is inverted. The video is inverted. I'll just share that. I am not sure how do I change it. I didn't check this. Video is angle में is orientation में है. I'm very sorry. अब इसको कैसे बदलना है? I'm not very sure. How do I change this? Just a second. Give me a moment, please.
Yes, sir.
Give me a moment. I have not done this in the past, and video download to कर लिया था, and we didn't realize that this will.
Sir, I think we can go ahead, sir. It's okay.
We'll go ahead.
Yeah, no worries. We'll go
I'm
ahead.
really sorry about this. We should have checked this. Two videos I have. Yes, let's start, please. First of all, can you give her a big round of applause? She's not here with us, but you know that this is her commitment, and I'm quite sure she'll be very happy. सब लोग उनके लिए एक बार जोर से एक बार अच्छी तरीके से ताली बजाते हैं. Yes, everybody, nice. Let's get started. आवाज आ रही है सबको? Are you able to see the video as well as this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Talk about women's challenges, handle criticism and compliments in their respective ways. Women in today's era and even before,
You're not able to hear.
in their day-to-day life. Speaking of my generation, most of the women are housewives. As housewives, they face many challenges like taking care of big joint families, their needs, wants, requirements, as well as their happiness much bigger compound today. In spite of taking care of our duties and responsibilities with full dedication, we will still compare to others' daughter-in-laws. It was very rare that women received appreciation for their work in the olden days. Times have changed now. Families have become nucleated. Women are not only housewives, but various of their other activities. They have excelled in many other fields alongside taking care of their family and household. And with the support of their families, they are reaching greater heights. In spite of all this, women still face more criticism than appreciation. But they are strongly willed to outlook the criticism they receive and move on. They always have to sacrifice something in every step of their life. I only remember two things in my life. You will never complain if you have the power to face the world. Whoever is trying to bring you down is already below you. Thank you.
Wow.
Jai Hind.
Wow, what a wonderful. Whoever is wanting to pull you down is already below you. Wow, nice.
That was a wonderful one. That was a wonderful one.
Wonderful. And what an effort she has made. Can we give her a big round of applause? We are missing her, but let's, our wishes
Excellent.
are with her. She's doing wonderful. And
Well,
moving on to the next one, we have Rekha ji also. She also could not be here for a certain reason. We are going to play a video and let's get started.
I am Rekha Gurung.
Okay, even this video is playing like this. Just a second, just hang on. I'll just this thing. Please hang on. I will see if I can play with another player. This is better. Yes, this is better. Okay. Let me just share my screen. Can we first give a big round of applause to Rekha ji? Can we give a big round of applause? Yes, she's not here with us, but encouragement wherever it is, it'll reach to her. And Rekha ji for everybody. Yes, it's again a very short video, as you can see. It's just 27 seconds. Let's watch. 1 second. The
So there is
audio,
no volume, no audio.
the audio is full. The volume is.
I am Rekha Gurung. In today's world, women are capable any field for doing business. Every woman do some.
The audio is still very poor, right?
Yes, sir, but we can still hear it, sir.
Yeah, okay, please.
Others business, some go to job, some women's business from at home, like tuitions, catering, and stitching, and baking, and many more working. Thank you, Jitu.
Yes, that was a very short one, but again, it's an effort. Can we give her a big round of applause? It's an effort, isn't it? Baby steps, or every single step counts. Can we give her a big round of applause? Yes. Yeah. Moving on to the next participant, we have Sashi ji. Sashi ji is here. Can we all give Sashi ji a big round of applause? Sashi ji, please आप अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. Sashi ji, Sashi Kakaria ji.
Shashi ji, you're on mute. Please unmute yourself. Shashi ji, are you here?
शशि जी आपको हमारी आवाज आ रही है?
Shashi ji, she's with us. I'm asking her to start the video, asking her to unmute also. Sashi ji, are you with us, or let's wait for a couple of seconds? Sashi ji, can you please hear us?
Let's wait.
Maybe we can come back to her again as she. Yeah.
She's here.
Yes. Sashi ji, Jai Jinendra and Pranam to you, Sashi ji. Stage is all yours. Please, आपके लिए start कीजिए. Sashi ji, आप शुरू कर सकते हैं.
कर दी क्या? मेरे रूम नहीं करें, वो मेरे को बोल दें, मैं देखना है. हाँ, आ रही है?
Yes,
मेरी
yes.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. आ रही है, ma'am. बोलिए.
हाँ. जय जिनेंद्र. Good morning, everyone. My topic is नारी का बलिदान. Hello, यशवी.
हाँ, शशि जी, हम आपकी आवाज सुन
आपकी आवाज आ रही है, एकदम बरोबर है, आप बरोबर जा रहे हैं शशि जी, आप कंटिन्यू करें.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Hope
Shashi ji.
you all keeping well.
Yes.
We are all doing good.
Keeping well. Women a symbol of sacrifice. Women play a
crucial role in terms of sacrificing their life and wishes in many situations. The most important aspect where women sacrifice is their own wishes, career and freedom. Sacrifice and compromise are you words that define the societal professional on in Indian women. When a woman is asked to sacrifice her aspiration, it is not a compromise. She may be making willing, she may be perfectly capable of coming up with alternative solution if given the opportunity to decide on her own. I believe women just want to be treated as intellectually capable interjection. Thanks.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. Can we give her a big round of applause? This is a great.
Excellent.
मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं किया, आप लोगों के मेहरबानी से मैं इतना बोल सक रही हूँ।
Excellent, Shashi Ji.
Too good.
Very
Too good. Too
सचिन
good.
से आप लोगों को
Beautiful.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप लोग हम लोगों को इस काबिल समझा।
Thanks for joining and taking up the opportunity, auntie. We are glad आप लोगों ने लिया ये सब.
Thanks और सब।
Amazing. Amazing. Super.
Amazing, excellent, Sunita, doing very good.
Thank
Sachi ji
you,
did very
auntie.
well.
Thanks, Vrinda
Thank you so
ji,
much,
Sunita
auntie.
ji.
Moving on, Mamta ji has also sent her.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, Mamta ji. I think she's with us right now.
Yeah,
So
I saw.
Mamta ji, yeah. So आप बोलेंगे ना Mamta ji? Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Jai Jinendra, dear committee member and all my friends, happy morning. I feel very proud to be a part of GITO and thanks to GITO committee member to give us a very wonderful opportunity and thanks to our coach Harshita ma'am and Sachin sir so give us English coaching. Today my topic is low literacy level for women in rural area. India, if we see, India is now surrounding the world, India is on the top. But when we search in map, there are very small villages that still women are not educated. Very low literacy in a girl in rural area. What is the reason of this? If we think about and search deeply, then we found lot of circumstances of illiteracy in women. First, the difference in between girl and boy, uneducated parents also cause of this problem. They thinking why we give education to girl. Suppose they send them school, but taken off school to share families' responsibilities. They are not giving priority to girls for education. Poor school environment for girl in rural area is not really interesting and encouraging. There is no whether girls are educated or not. The deep-rooted, the culture of male dominate also one of worst part to spoil girls' education. Lack of awareness is the cause for female illiteracy, early marriages, dowry system, and other social acts as main cause of neglect the girl's child. Give priority to son education compared to daughter education also affected this. If we go through checkout of graph in rural area, there is 45% reaching up to only primary school. Now we need to think why the literacy rate is low here in India compared to other country. It is associated with combinations of many factors, including social, cultural, economic, educational, demographic, political, and administrative. When we deeply think about this subject, there is a lot of work to do about rural area. We should encourage them enrolled in this program. We should also meet them in person and arrange some nice programs to awareness of education in rural area for women. This will increase motivation in them and lead to happy life. This is my first English speech, and maybe there is lot of mistake. Thank you once again, my Jito member and all my friends. They give very happy smile. Sarshita ji, Sachin sir, everybody is very, very nice. We enjoy with them, very happy. And again, we start another second batch also you are starting. So we all are very, very happy. Thank you. Thank you once again. Very, very thank you.
Thank you, Mamta ji.
Awesome, Mamta ji. You were rocking. Very
Thank you.
good. Very, very good.
Very nice, Mamta ji.
Thank
So
you. Thank
blessed
you.
that you took up
Amazing.
the
You
course.
spoke so well.
Thank you. Thank you.
It didn't look like ये आपका पहला speech था. It didn't look like the content, the language, everything excellent.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Very
Because
nice.
this is all for you. All
Very
for
well.
Lovely,
lovely
lovely.
ideas. Yeah.
He's done
Thank
very
you.
well research. As you can see, all the topics are very empowering. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Mamta ji. एक बार एक जोरदार तालियां. And before we move on to our last participant of the day, and that is Sharda Baradia ji. Is she there with us? She has sent her audio.
Audio is there.
Sharda ji is there.
With us.
She's with us.
Yes,
So,
yes.
Harshita ji, do I play the audio or?
Yeah, you have to play. She's having a heavy throat, infection.
Infection.
So that's why she
Oh,
sent the audio.
Yeah. Yes, I am going to play the audio. Please listen.
Hello everyone, I am Sharda Bhodia.
How is the audio? Is it better?
Yes, sir.
Great. I'm starting again. And it's a very short one, and this is the final one.
Okay, sir.
Hello everyone, I am Sharda Bhodia. Women everywhere are breaking the glass ceiling in every field, but their voices still go unheard, and they face many challenges in their careers, technology, politics, etc. They make an effort to develop and maintain their position in society. Basic human rights are also a tough struggle for women. The ideology in India is that a woman is important, but she can't be more important than a man as he brings food to the table. Domestic violence is a silent crime that happens but not reported because a woman is continuously underestimated for her knowledge. There can be many hurdles for her, but the orthodox mentality of people contributes the most. After having all these issues, we can still say that today's women cross all the hurdles bravely and make a strong position in the society. Thank you.
This is immense. Yeah, very nice. Can you give her a big. Now, can we give a big round of applause for all the participants? Everybody.
Wonderful.
Everybody was wonderful. Mamta ji, Indu ma'am, Usha ma'am, everybody, Sunita ji, everybody was done so wonderful. Ek baar sabke liye, Rekha ji ke liye, Sashi ji ke liye, Ratan ji ke liye, everybody ek baar jordar taaliyan. They've done wonderful. Before we hand it over back to Jito, I would like to end our part. And
Yes,
the session is still continuing. It'll be a very short one. We all want to thank our coach, and that is Harshita ji. Can we give her a big round of applause? Big round of applause. Nice. She has put in her heart and soul. It was done in a very, very short amount of time. Ek baar jordar taaliyan. Harshita ji, we are so blessed to have you among with us. You have.
Thank you.
You have not just been a trainer or you have been a transformer. And the results are right here. You put in your heart and soul. We are so happy. I'll give you an opportunity to speak for a very short thing. And I also want to thank my team. There have been a set of about 9 people who are behind it, from video shooting to video making, editing them, and running the programs. My teammates Ajit, Jeevan, Prasanna, so many people, actually I cannot name them, all of them, Gomati ji, Revati ji. There are so many people who have put in a lot of hard work. Program लग्ने में दिखने में कि लगता है कि छोटा सा है, but making all the videos, पीछे बहुत लोगों ने इसके लिए मेहनत की है. I want to give them heartfelt gratitude. I'm so blessed that I have such a wonderful team. And also I want to thank Jito for trusting us. I remember, Harshita ji said that, can we have the program? I said, just trust us. We will deliver. Okay, it was last minute.
Thank you, sir.
Pehla batch tha.
Yes,
And I know that it was not a perfect batch. We will definitely improve. And finally, to all the participants, you've all given your heart and soul. I want to thank Shanu ma'am, trusting us, and obviously Sunita ji and Brinda ji. Brinda ji was the first to get connected. I have heartfelt gratitude to you. It's been a wonderful time. All to Jito, everybody, for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. Before I sign off, I would like to give the mic to Harshita ji. Harshita ji, final words from you. And I know that one thing is that this is not an end of journey. We still have about 4 or 5 videos. और हम हर हफ्ते, मैंने डाला नहीं क्योंकि मैं चाहता था आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. हम अभी भी 4-5 वीडियोस हम उसको डालेंगे. Practice करते रहिए. English is all about practice, 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 and nothing else. Over to Harshita ji. Harshita ji, all yours.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Lots of love to all my lovely ladies. I'm really going to miss you all big time. And आप लोग सभी शेल से बाहर निकले हो. Please अपने आप को रोकना नहीं है. आगे बढ़ते रहना है. All the very best. Lots of love to everybody. And tons of thanks to Jito family, especially Brinda ji, Sunita ji, everybody. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And it means a lot. Lots of love to all my lovely darlings. You all look so beautiful, and all the very best to you for your future. Yes, by this, I take a very, very, very sweet bye from you all. Gonna miss you big time. Yes.
Thank you, Harshita.
Thank you, Harshita ji. So here, Shubh Arambh, level 1, season 1, the finale is done. All the best, ladies, for all the future works that you're coming up with, for all the future endeavors that you're going to take up. I think learning English has removed a lot of hurdles in your life. It's going to remove a lot of hurdles from you. I now call upon our secretary, Mrs. Purvi Dugar, to give away the vote of thanks.
Hey, Jinendra, everyone, and Shraman Bhagwan Shri Mahavir ke charanon mein koti koti naman. Respected dignitaries, members, friends, aunties, and family. Hope you all are being very safe in this pandemic. And a very, very good afternoon to everyone present here. As all good things come to an end in life, so is the seminar of Shubh Arambh Level 1. So on behalf of Jito Ladies Wing, Chennai chapter, I propose vote of thanks to Dr. Sachin sir and Harshita ma'am of Superhumans, who have contributed immensely in this seminar on spoken English training program and inspired our ladies at this age who are in their 60s and 70s. You have empowered them with this self-esteem and confidence so tremendously, and a huge heartfelt gratitude to both of you. You have really enlightened and transformed our ladies with the wisdom, knowledge, and your presence. Truly an honor having you on board. We are thankful to our ladies who have actively participated and motivate other ladies with your enthusiasm and the urge to learn so much more. Your smile and happy faces are our rewards. Really made the Jito community very, very proud. Never give up attitude is truly lived up with your speeches just given. Thanks a ton, everyone. A special thanks from the bottom of my heart to our B2B convener, Sunita and Brinda, for your unflinching support and coordination and tirelessly follow up and making Shubh Arambh a huge, huge success. So thanks a ton, girls.
Thank you, Purvi.
Very grateful, everyone.
Love you, Purvi. Love you.
For your
Thank you so much.
time, presence, and attention. Thanks a ton, everyone. And can we all rise for our national anthem?
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविडयूत्कलबङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधितरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
So here we come to the end of the event. See you all very soon at level 2 of English training session under the brand Shubh Arambh Jito Ladies Chennai. See you all very soon. Good day. Bye.